Good afternoon and welcome back to Interbanks Legal Services. I'm Sarah Beth Withers. I'm the president and principal attorney here. And for those that do not know, our law firm is a nonprofit law firm and we're located in Washington, North Carolina. That's in the eastern part of our state. Our mission is to fill the justice gap. We do that by providing affordable legal services to people that make too much money to qualify for legal aid but cannot afford traditional law firm rates. So we work really hard to help our clients obtain the legal services they need on a budget. So today I'm going to talk about the stimulus money again. I put a video up a few days ago, but since the CARES Act rolled out a little over a week ago, it feels like a daily barrage of new information. The news is constantly talking about the Paycheck Protection Program, the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program, the stimulus money. And so I've been trying to keep up to date and provide information on our page. And today I'm going to circle back to the stimulus money. So if this is you, if you receive Social Security, if you receive disability, if you are a retired railroad worker, or your income is so low that you're not required to file a tax return. If that is you, please check out the comments. I am putting a link for the comments. You need to go there. TurboTax and the IRS have partnered together to get your stimulus money to you faster. So you can go to that link, if that is you, and you can put in your bank account number and your routing number, or you can update your mailing address with the IRS. The IRS has announced that starting Thursday, April the 9th, they are going to start sending out the auto deposits for the stimulus money. If you do not have bank information on your tax returns or through this website, the IRS is not going to be printing the checks until about April the 24th. So it may be over a month until you receive your money. So you really want to get it by an auto deposit if you can. All right, so if that does not apply to you, the IRS will be rolling out a portal that you can update your bank information or your mailing address that was on your 2018 or 2019 tax return. If you used a tax preparer, this is really important. If you received an advance on your tax refund through a tax preparer for 2018 or 2019, you are absolutely going to need to update your bank information with the IRS. When that portal is rolled out, I will make sure to either add a new video or add the link on our Facebook page here. But you want to avoid your tax preparer that advanced you your tax refund. You want to avoid them receiving the money. So you need to make sure that your bank information is updated, okay? So when that comes out, I will make sure to update this page so you've got that. If you do not have a bank information, it's really going to be a while before you get your money. IRS will never, ever, ever call you. They are also not sending out emails or mail for the stimulus money. Do not respond to an email or a piece of mail that you've received or a telephone call and give them your bank account information. That is a scam and they will steal your money. The scammers have already started. People have already been taken advantage of. So I want to avoid that by telling you, go to the link in here or the link that I'm going to share when the IRS updates the tax filer website and put in your bank account information, but do not give it over the phone, okay? Thanks. All right, so if you file tax returns, you do not need to file both 2018 and 2019 to get the stimulus money. If you have not filed 2019, do not sweat. You have until July 15th to do so. But the stimulus money is going to be based on your 2018 tax return. If you did not file 2018 or 2019, you need to file a return to get the money. If you had a big decrease in income between 2018 and 2019 that might put you under the threshold, you should file your 2019 tax return so that you can get the refund. The stimulus money. My kids have kept me up way too late. I'm tired. To get the stimulus money, if you have had a decrease in income that puts you under the thresholds, you should go ahead and file your 2019 tax return. And what are those thresholds again? If you're a single person making under $75,000, you will receive $1,200. If you're a married couple with household income under $150,000, you will receive $2,400. If you receive household income, if you're married, between $150,000 and $198,000, then you'll receive something. It's just going to be less than that full amount. And same goes with the singles. If you receive anywhere between $75,000 and $99,000, you will receive something, but it won't be much, or the full amount. So if you are over both those thresholds where you will not receive any money, the IRS is supposed to be rolling out a tax credit for you for 2020. If you have a high school student who is 17 or older, or a college student 17 or older, or anybody listed as a dependent on your tax return that is over the age of 17, there will be no stimulus money for that dependent, meaning they're not going to receive a check of their own and you're not going to receive the $500. The $500 is the child stimulus for children under the age of 17 only. It's a big bummer. There's a huge population of high school seniors that are not included, so their parents will not get $500 for them, even though there's no difference between the 16-year-old and the 18-year-old in household expenses. I wish I could explain it to you. I can't, but that's just the way they set up the act. If you have questions that I have not answered, and it's a generic question, you can put it down here in the comments, and everybody will benefit by seeing my response. If you have a more detailed question that's not generic, please send us a private message, and I'll be happy to answer it. Check back again for more videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.